In this video, I will show you how to create token on Dexscreener Moonshot. So to get started, go ahead and open Dexscreener on your browser. Take note that you cannot create a token on the mobile app or the app itself of Dexscreener. So make sure that you open that website on your browser. Now head over into the Moonshot section by clicking on the Moonshot tab above Solana. And in the section, you'll be able to find all the coins that you can trade in exchange for your Solana. You can create your own token by clicking on the launch your token button. You'll find this in this section. As you can see in here, you can select a chain, which is Solana and Base. You can also select your DEX, which is Radium and Michora for Solana, and Uniswap for Base. So you can customize your token symbol, your token name, description. You can also upload your icon and your banner. So make sure that it is fun and it reflects your token name, token symbol, and description all in one. Once you scroll down, you can actually also connect your website and your social media accounts named after your coin, and simply check on this checkbox. Hit on the launch token button to be able to launch this token on Moonshot on Dexscreener. And that is how you can simply create your own coin on Dexscreener Moonshot. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.